Pain relief is an expression of human dignity and compassion. Yet today, millions still live and die in severe untreated pain. Pain that could be relieved with the knowledge and medicines we already have. This suffering is unnecessary and it can be alleviated. Across the world, more than 61 million people experience serious health-related pain each year. While 83% of the world's population lives in countries with limited access to essential pain medicines, more than 80% of these medicines are consumed by just a few high-income nations. Pain relief remains profoundly unequal.
In India, this inequality takes on a painful paradox. Though India produces and exports morphine, countless patients within the country have little or no access to pain relief. Fear of misuse, regulatory barriers, limited awareness, inadequate training, and financial constraints continue to block access to essential pain medicines. Only about 2% of the patients in India who need palliative care actually receives it. And of this small group, most care is concentrated in one single state, that is Kerala. Across many other states, palliative care is nearly absent, leaving millions to endure excruciating pain in their final months and days.
For the Catholic Health Association of India, these stories are deeply familiar. Across our hospitals and palliative care centers, we accompany thousands each year, offering comfort, dignity, and relief.
I mean, all the help I've got here, especially for my cellulitis and other things, that was really good. A big difference when there's service, real service. I mean, heartfelt service in helping people, and commercial outsiders are just commercial, they're not bothered so much about you. They don't really care as such. Over here, you're getting care. So that is, it's encouraging also.
Even if our efforts seem like a drop in the ocean, every drop matters. When pain relief becomes available, lives transform. People regain the strength to eat, to rest, to speak, to reconcile, to bless, and to transition from this life in peace.
India has begun moving forward. Simplified opioid regulations, the National Program for Palliative Care, and the training of thousands of healthcare workers are positive steps towards justice and compassion. Yet, given the magnitude of the suffering, we still have a long journey ahead.
Pain and suffering remain a mystery for us. But Jesus taught us that relieving pain wherever possible is an ethical duty, rooted in our humanity and central to Catholic social teaching. To ignore suffering that can be alleviated is to fail in compassion and solidarity. Access to essential pain medicines is not optional, it is a moral imperative.